Hi there. Today, I'm going to help you find journal articles on the Divine Mercy University Library website. First, you'll navigate to the DMU Library homepage at https://divinemercy.edu/library/. We recommend that you bookmark or favorite the page so that you can easily return in the future. For assistance on this, please contact the library. Second, you'll sign in using the library login link at the top navigation bar. Doing so will allow you to utilize more of the library's electronic resources that require authentication. Then, under the Resources menu, navigate to the A to Z list for e-resources link, or the library website link. If you go to the library website link, you can select the A to Z resources list in the Find drop-down menu on the top navigation bar. Once you're on the search feature, you'll navigate over to the fourth option, Journals. You can either search by the journal title or by the journal's ISSN number. For purposes of this video, we're going to use the journal Frontiers in Psychiatry. As you can see, we have arrived at the journal page. We do have the full text of this journal available at Divine Mercy. To access that, you can come over and click the Journal button. And you'll see this is the journal page. Using your citation, navigate to the year, issue, and number of the journal of interest to find your article. In this case, we'll use an article from 2022. Click on the PDF link to download your article. If no PDF link is there, double-check the coverage of the journal source you selected. Some journals may have what's called an embargo on materials that are less than 1 year old. Hope this was helpful.